Oh my goodness. Wow. It's got little heart eyes.
Wait, can we get our food? Is it giving you instructions, Mary?
No, not yet. Hey.
What in the heck? Oh my goodness. Watch out for those boxes, please. Oh, you could miss the boxes.
Stopping there.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Good job, little dude, and kept it pretty warm, I think. You want a tip or? I don't know.
Tip. Okay, bye.
See you later, dude.
Okay. Bet your food.
Yeah, that's the right thing.
Did it leave?
It's sitting there now.
It says the vehicle will depart shortly. Okay. That is
So that's just a Jersey City thing, or what?
Apparently, I like Philadelphia.
so weird. It's hysterical. It's so weird.
Oh, that's hard eyes again.
Just because she's in LA shooting a movie, that's just another feather in my cap. This weekend, we
Look,
will
that
be
guy's
traveling
so
to Greensboro, North Carolina. We will be attending.
Oh, there it goes. So long, Uber robot. Is it crossing the street? Where's it going? Alright, here we go. Marty's chicken delivered by Uber robot. New experience for me. Oh, that's good. This is like their secret sauce or whatever. This might be ranch. I think it's ranch. It's good. Very good.
Easy for you to say. I wasn't born with that thick, thinning skin.
Is what I love about you. I am sorry. I got a meeting in the Bronx. You go and enjoy it. I'll see you later. Well, hey, we've got that thing tonight that we can decide.
What thing?
Reservation.
Right, it's the thing. With your mother.
So, have you made a decision?
About what? That's 4 months from now.
This is a 3-piece.
300 guest tops.
For Christmas? Andrew, are you on some sort of medication? What's going on? Where are we? Tiffany, you didn't do this when we got engaged. It's only been 8 months.
I know I never do anything rash. And I usually ask that question.
hopefully when they get a commercial break, this will sync up because the lips are not moving with the words. I hate it when that happens.
thing tonight is perfect. Oh, man, I can't wait to see the look on my mother's face. Let's go, Rick.
No! I mean, not right this second. What I mean is, honey, would you mind terribly if we just kept this to ourselves for a few days?
Mel, it's gonna come out sooner or later.
Well, that. And a dinner.
Okay. I'm sorry. You're one of them. It was a pleasure. Melanie. So good to see you.
Probably gonna save some of these fries for later, but very good meal. And it got delivered by a robot. Pretty cool, I think. Thank you for watching.